In the world of heavy machinery, one machine stands out as the undisputed king of versatility and power, the excavator. Anchored by its robust tracks for stability and operated by a skilled professional in the cab, this engineering marvel is built for one thing: to dominate its environment. Watch as its powerful hydraulic arm extends, and the bucket bites deep into the earth. This is raw, untamed force harnessed for progress. With precise control, it swings tons of material effortlessly. This isn't just digging, it's a masterclass in efficiency and power. But its talent doesn't stop there. With a quick change of attachment, the excavator transforms from a breaker that pulverizes rock to a grapple that handles debris. It is the ultimate multi-tool of the construction industry. It is the heartbeat of the site, working in perfect sync with dump trucks, bulldozers, and cranes to turn blueprints into reality. From digging foundations for skyscrapers to laying pipelines that connect cities.